So we are here now at Yakikay na on the grill. So mamaya we will try the food kung ano yung mga ina-offer nila dito, guys. Yan, we're going to Yakikay. Say hello.
Oh, ito pa. Mga
hello, we're going to Yakikay. Double celebration ngayon. Tomas Morato, Arnix's birthday and Mabi's birthday. Hi guys, ngayon ay November 3, 2023 and we have another video na gagawin. This time, pupunta tayo sa Yakikay. So, isa to sa mga Anli Sangyup that is located in Tomas Morato. Dahil celebration ng dalawang may birthday sa amin ngayon, kaya nagpa-reserve kami for Yakikay. So, tingnan natin mamaya guys yung mga pagkain doon. So, may mga kasama kami sa likod ngayon. We are not alone. Nandiyan yung isang bata na may birthday. Happy birthday, Mabi! And then, of course, mamaya si Arn din, no, will be celebrating with us. So, yun lang guys, mamaya check ninyo yung aming video. See you later. Yan, we are in Yakikay to celebrate the birthday of Arn and Mabi. Mabi, ooh, you know. Yan, dito kami sa Tomas Morato ngayon. We're going to try itong lunch dito sa Yakikay. Yan. Ito guys, oh. Yan.
No.
Sige guys, later tayo mag-ano. Mabi!
Oh, tingin. Mabi.
Pawis na. Ayan guys, we are here now at Yakikay and we are enjoying the food. Pakita lang namin sa inyo guys mga pagkain dito, ha. So, nag-grill na kami ng scallop at saka ng shrimp, beef, and pork. Meron din silang steak dito. They have tempura. Ano nga ito? Ang tawag dyan? O, masaya. And ito ang mga kasama namin. They're enjoying the food here at Yakikay. Ayan. Okay guys, kain tayo guys. So ito na yung kanilang beef. Let's try. Yung mga marinated beef, iba-iba din, no? But we will try this one. Lagay natin sa japchae. And then, tsaka natin siya kakainin. Okay naman siya so far.
Wasak na yun. Hindi siya na yun.
Ayan. Huwag kayo din ng ano.
Pati na.
Yan lang guys, no? Then let's eat. Gustuin natin sa kabilang lamesa. Ano naman? Yan na. So guys, ito na yung crabs. May mga crabs din nakasama. Plus the oyster. So yan. Luto muna tayo kumain. Yan. Ito na yung mga shrimp. Ayan natin ito later on. Yan, meron na Mga oyster yan.
I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this
My birthday! Happy! Happy one! Happy one!
Si Mapi na nga.
Happy one! Mabi! So ayan guys, patapos na kami sa aming pagkain. And so far we have enjoyed. Last batch na kami. Yan, puro scallops na lang yan. At yung mga pinaghimayan na lang ang natira dito guys. Happy naman ang mga kasama namin dito. Yan, last order tayo before mag-wind up. Hi guys, so tapos na kaming kumain sa Yakikai. And so far, we have a very good experience. So, tatapusin na namin yung vlog namin dito, guys. Thank you for watching. See you again sa mga upcoming vlogs namin. Bye-bye.